Here in this tutorial, you will learn how to keep track of experimental tasks completion. In the task overview, under the protocols tab, you can use complete step and complete task functions to keep track of work progress. This may come in handy if you are using a tablet at the bench during the experiment execution. For example, when you are finished with a certain protocol step, simply click the Complete Step button in the right lower corner of a specific step, and the circle of a step will turn blue. The blue circle signifies that a step is completed. The protocol step completion is then timestamped under the Activity tab. You can also decide to complete the entire task, not necessarily executing all the protocol steps. In this case, to complete the task, simply click the Complete Task button. You can see that the task status at the top changes. It gets a green label, Task Completed date. The same as for the completion of an individual protocol step. The task completion is also logged under the Activity tab. In addition, by calculating the time between the first and last completion of a step, you can get the information of time spent on a specific task. That's all for this tutorial on how to keep track of experimental task completion. If you want to learn more about other SciNote features, we invite you to watch our other tutorials.